live every moment with proud. So today weather is okay. It's not like it will rain, but it's okay. The weather is okay, good. So let's start. Today I'll share something new where we can convert our old kurtas into new one by not using the old saris, by not using the old suit pieces, but into a brand new kurta. So let's start. So today I have brought something a little different for you. This time we are not reusing our old fabric. Instead we are giving a kurta a brand new look, stylish look. So I had purchased this kurta a while ago. It's been around 4 to 5 years old and I always felt it was very beautiful, but I wanted to make this look even more special. So I visited to market and then I started finding something new. Finally, I got this gorgeous golden lace with yellow floral embroidery and the mirror work and the golden threading detailing. So I also bought this beautiful broad gota lace. I'll show you. See how beautiful it is. Mirror work is also there, right? Yellow flowers also there. Golden thread work is also there. So it's very beautiful and it's very broad also. In front and in back side, both sides we have placed this gota, and in arms also. Both arms we have placed this. So the transformation was amazing. This simple old kurta has now become a stunning festival outfit. As you can see, this bluish grey kurta looks so elegant, and I have paired it with these beautiful golden earrings and the bangles, which is having a unique design. See, these are the bangles, glittery bangles. They glitter. So there are 4 bangles and these are the earrings. So I truly believe that whenever we buy some clothes, we can give them a new fresh branded look with some of our creativity, good ideas. So there are so many beautiful gota laces and decorative items are available in the market. All we just need to do is that we have to spare some time for ourselves and then visit the market and choose the matching accessories and create something completely a new look. You can pair this kurta with red, white, golden, yellow leggings. You don't even need a dupatta on this, and you just need to prepare a tight bun and flowers on it. The entire look will become even more graceful and elegant. I would like to thank each and every one of you who are watching my videos and subscribing my channel and giving your love to me. So I'm thinking that my efforts are now getting recognized by all of you. So it makes me feel truly enjoy my fashion ideas and dresses transformation. Please do watch the videos and give your love like this. Keep watching, keep giving your love, keep subscribing my channel and sharing my videos also. I have not worn this kurta, but I am planning to wear this in coming festive season. So it is very comfortable cotton kurta, and you can also try to give some fresh or branded look to your old kurtas which you right now don't want to wear. So try to get some decorative things or matching gotas and accessories along with it, and try to place on your kurta and wear it and enjoy the festive season. So see you tomorrow with some new matching things and some new collections, and till then, bye bye, take care, see ya. Don't forget to share, subscribe, like and comment. Bye bye. And many of you have been waiting for the cotton skirt that was supposed to come tomorrow. Today is 30th and I've promised that today I'll show the skirt. So just now I've received from the bhaiya. He has given to me this. So tomorrow I'll unbox it. Today I'm just showing the glimpse of it. This is the cotton skirt. So tomorrow I'll show it. It is very beautiful, very pretty and very classic dress. I'll show you. See this. This is the border and the whole design will show you tomorrow. So don't forget to come back tomorrow, and we'll unbox it properly. We'll show you properly how it will look and how you will carry with the short tops and small white earrings. So see you tomorrow. Till then, bye bye, take care.